Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to share a document on Telegram by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Telegram application, and after that let's choose to whom that we want to share the documents and open it until we go into this chatting sections. And please take a look on this bottom option. There is like a symbol of the attachment. Click it, and there will be like several options too that we can choose. Either we want to send a picture, gift, files, location, or contacts. Since we want to send documents, go into the file sections, and there will be two options here. Either you want to choose it from gallery or select it from the files. I want to select from my files and looking for the documents that I want to share to. You can like looking for here. I want to send my CV, so just click and just looking for the documents that you want to share. And after that, after you find the documents, just click open. Okay, and now the document is already sent into your friends. Hold on until it's perfectly sent. Now it's successfully sent to your friend, and that's how you send the documents by Telegram on iOS or iPhone. If you find out these tutorials very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel, guys. Thank you.